Here's a pair of the JLab Go Tones Plus earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an iPhone via Bluetooth. So the first thing is, let's put this in a pairing mode, okay? Make sure the case is make sure the buds are in the case. Let's open it up. Let's take out both the buds. Now we'll know that these are in pairing mode if one of these is blinking blue, white, blue, white, blue, white, and the other one is a solid white, okay? I'm not getting nothing here. And the reason why I'm not getting nothing is because I'm actually connected right now to my Samsung Galaxy S25. So let me go into my settings here on this phone. I'm going to go to connections, and I'm going to go to Bluetooth here. Now there's three things I can do with Bluetooth here, okay? Now see, it says it's currently connected. So I can turn off Bluetooth, or I can click on the settings right there, and I could either disconnect or unpair. If I do any of those three on this phone right here, this will automatically go into pairing mode, okay? So for instance, we'll just go ahead and unpair it, basically remove it from the pairing list. And now it's done, and now right away, what do you know? Look at this. Blue, white, blue, white, blue, white, and a solid white light. So now it's in pairing mode. Now let's go back to my iPhone here. This is the iPhone 16e, by the way. Let's tap on settings. We're going to go to Bluetooth, okay? Go to Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. And this little spinny thing right here under other devices, it's searching for devices that's in pair mode that is near me. It found it, JLab Go Tones Plus right there. Let's go ahead and simply tap on that. Voila, we are connected, ready to go now. Now, if you had issues pairing or connecting, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look in the link below in the description area.